This is Tim Bryce with my column titled Homefront Cooking, a Book Review. During my lifetime, I have read a considerable number of books pertaining to history, including the military. But I recently came across something for veterans and those currently serving in uniform, a combination cookbook and memoir dedicated to our men and women in the service. It is 240 pages of recipes and interesting military tales from our veterans. Titled Homefront Cooking, it is written as a labor of love by authors Tracy Enerson Wood, Carol Van Dree, and Mary Elizabeth Rifle, as well as over 50 contributors, including yours truly. The authors solicited favorite recipes and stories from our vets. Some of the recipes are elaborate, some simple, yet all are delicious. In my case, I described my father's military career during World War II, where he had the unusual distinction of serving in both the Army and the Navy at the same time. I included one of his favorite dishes, lovingly called slop, based on the fare he had while undergoing flight training in Laredo, Texas. The recipe was rather simple and economical, yet something we relished as a quick family meal. The book contains recipes for everything from breakfast to dinner and dessert. The photos included make all of the entrees look simply scrumptious. The stories accompanying the recipes are both humorous and heartwarming. The authors have done an outstanding job assembling a publication that would be cherished by anyone in uniform. Their goal is to honor veterans while preserving moments of personal history before they are forgotten. It is worth noting all of the authors' profits will be donated to military service organizations. This specifically includes the Robert Irvine Foundation. Chef Irvine is perhaps best known for his highly rated TV show, Restaurant Impossible, on the Food Network, and actively supports the troops. The book comes in two forms, hardbound for $24.83, and in e-book form, either as a Nook book or Kindle, and the prices vary on that. Homefront Cooking has a Twitter account as well as a Facebook page. You may want to look them up. The book is available from Skyhorse Publishing at skyhorsepublishing.com. You could also buy it at Barnes & Noble and Amazon. This is a great gift idea for anyone who has served in the military, both in terms of the recipes and the stories. Thank you, ladies, for your hard work in putting this all together, and thanks for the memories. Friends, keep the faith. This is Tim Bryce of Palm Harbor, Florida. Follow me on the internet at timbryce.com.